Hi friends, today we're doing a project with a silly little pig. If you notice, the pig has different shapes. A star, a circle, a square, a triangle. You can write your name here on the line and then look where it says color, C-O-L-O-R. The squares are blue, the triangles are orange, the circles are red, and the stars are yellow. You're welcome to decorate these up here, but then decorate on the pig. Once you're all finished with this, you're going to go down here and count the shapes. How many circles are there? You're going to color in a box for how many circles there are. How many stars are there? You're going to color in a box. How many squares are there? Color in a box. How many triangles? Color in a box. When you're finished, write the number at the end. Have fun with this. Here's a little book about shapes and sizes. On the last page of this book, there's a bunch of words that say big, B-I-G, and little, L-I-T-T-L-E, big, little. You're going to go through this book. You're welcome to color this. First circle, which one is big and which one is little? And you can glue them on top of it. You can glue them underneath, any way you want. Here's the square. Which one is big? Which one is little? Triangle. Which one is big? Which one is little? An oval. Which one is big? Which one is little? A rectangle. Which one is big? Which one is little? This one's a little tricky because they turn it different ways. A star. A pentagon. And then there's our words. Have fun with this, my friends. Bye.